And this is my lovely house. So let me show you the upstairs. This is the stair. And this is traditionally called janam, which is very good for the health. And this is, excuse me, what's your name?
My name is Florence.
So this is very healthy, very good for the health. It is called janam. It is found only in Silchar and Manipur. So this is my upside view. And this is the most expensive bamboo used for this construction. It is called mula or muli. So it is ready for the second use, I hope. So this is the view. So let's go home and take a good rest.